Be Poleeno dem chine mabon.
Oh, ha, be
Poleeno.
Matiasi. Kojo.
Poleeno.
Kojo, no. Kojo ti. Poleeno, me ba.
Babona sa aloko no.
No. The win Timothy. Search catch and send Timothy. Omie ni sem ma omo ben no. And then I was a chance ma catch obi o ye.
There be minimum be a catch me say Lilwin it here more than other producers.
Why? Why?
DOP bi na catch you.
DOP bay.
Me be say me boni.
Oboa. Me so boa. Aboa no. Oboa.
Into one here at the end of the day, no, one too early, no, no be a time. It comes back to professionalism now. Me as Poleeno, no, I'm only working. Me hard feelings in Mobia, in enjoy Mobia. Me, dear, me dream want to say the industry should work. I Poleeno multimedia. I'm the fresh boy, Papa J. And Atina Sewa, aka Asamoah Nkansah position. I want to launch Asamoah Nkansah position. Asamoah Nkansah Ajia too. Nti say unya match I was say we introduce you. Republic member na ya chiro ati ase. But Poleeno multimedia on him say enyoma yeta ka ho asem ne say KUMAWOOD na say Ghana film industry no. Concerning entertainment the movie side no dey ye pen more because me background it's always about movies. Papa J so always about movies. What produce you, my producer, ya director, ya editor, ya ABB. Aside acting, Papa J crowd or actibi. Into a bus in India, ye movie be. Into a bus ye most in who the road ya. If you have say no, ye na cashier. Any interviews about Kubiano. Aha, and I ye na cashier pa. Na Papa J,
Poleeno.
And your man ye the two aquema ever boama industry to your best of knowledge. I bounce back, pa.
Poleeno, my main viewers are more shares. Okay. This question will be very broad.
Very
broad because okay, near ben a bit me. I am an industry now.
We exams I can make a state and you explain.
State. I think say broad. One key thing I think say past you lose your unity.
Okay.
What you say?
In
Kaboom. Unity and professionalism. What am I mean for two way? Unity and professionalism.
Okay.
I never come in who industry way back na my industry never say unity.
Okay.
Unity remember professionalism. So unity in the sense say at a point in time, Ubu say yemfani say be industry in Poleeno na be was spearheaded. What by headline? What by emphasis poster boy?
Poster boy.
Ube poster boy. Instead of say be emphasis in comedians, now we know be poster boy.
Okay.
Now as kofa
jealousy
be ba. Instead of so be poster boy,
maybe support.
Yes, you never support it. Una this amount for enti be a story be no director producer be a person Poleeno be dem. Abefa lead role. It is a me a comedian. Near for Poleeno so as a comedian. Yes, yes, I didn't ba na ko say
as a competition be
competition ba nti ba sa the cohesion no emfa nti na e the time be ba industry no nti ba sa producer bi or director bi wo no so woni comedian.
Okay.
Nti role bi a officer nke bi the why top no say nke the man no do me so me comedian or me build me dey nti ma me fa me so media ne dem emra on see nti say bi a producer bi pe director bi na ye adwuma na story no be a Poleeno was say fan no me so me wo bi wo ho.
Okay. Matias.
One e meche no enti the confusion bi e bae yemfa ne say bi a ejako.
Okay.
Edu ejako time ejako ebe ye adwuma na producer director bi e be so use ejako.
Okay.
So what you say enti akoye say akoye ejako nko a enti akoye ejako nko na ejako so at the point in time so o nema bi na o demand there producer director say no nipa we oyaya ho so because ye nyina ye rushing nti no sade ya no yes ye mpo be fufuro
emra
na say na be ya de oye no obejai.
Okay.
But so we a professional woni mo adwuma oye no nim role na say role we Poleeno na betimi play role we ama role na e genuine Kojo Nkansah na role we efata no kwakuma no na role we fata no. So when a real fatana, you know so I'm going for this person no matter what the own nipa ntem.
Okay.
No matter how nipa ntie bia.
Okay.
So what you say?
And only say artist near professional and I say director no aside and I
do baby artist are professional.
Okay.
Director are professional, producer are professional because artists be one on one. Only the fellow artists because you try movie be in that movie no your mama maybe a dimbi friend kumiwa.
Okay.
When is a Kumiwa say actress?
Yeah, actress.
Na sa ma me say sa edin Kumiwa no ompe because Kumiwa na competitor.
Okay.
Enti sa din na
was
scripting no also ompe na was say ye force wa change sa din no.
Wow.
E many din fufuro adentia because of competition. But if you are a professional now
you don't care about the character name they say.
And again sorry. But competition you know so offer side name Kumiwa na or the actor. Onu who say oh promoted that the competitor Kumiwa no.
I get it.
What did you man say? Enti unity no and shall say from beginning no and a professionalism and shall say because omunt mama can you say KUMAWOOD for no forget about the Nadia Boare ne Jackie Apia ne Van Vicker for no omo no mo te adwuma na say
okay
but a bomb mo di twi eye adwuma na Poleeno
omunti ase
no mo nti adwuma na say
bebre
no mo nti adwuma na say
omo ye bisa
no mo nti ase because ena ma adwuma ni gu ye no
okay
producer anti ase marketer anti ase director anti ase enti producer be twa movie no onye scape no akobie phone shop.
Okay.
Na me can what am I say?
Or koye investment.
Yes, a juma na e fetch money no. Who can who invest in the game?
No nim say enche betimi agu. Enti or say or set up another business.
O manya foresight. Manya foresight. Man fight ensuan ya industry na anko nanim. Na nka me a farmer. Na me ye adwuma na me buru aba na me twa buru na. Na makwa ko bie
bank restaurant.
No. Also me invest
related.
I can't be. Also me invest in the farm. Me ntimi fa farm process na aba na me manya ho sika no. Na me de akwa ko bie cinema.
Okay.
What you say?
Doesn't correspond.
And correspond. And as a producer, no one is cannot could be a phone shop, phones, house and charges be guma. Now, but what you say? So, who import cameras? Squad never na old tower. Makes sense.
All right. It's unity and
professionalism. And yet, Juma crying and look how be a major point.
Okay.
Kokumenu ni Kojo Nkansah Lilwin yasem. Kokumenu ni ejako yasem. What has my one year major? I didn't know what say basa. Samotem ho ase na muni adwuma amo ye no say bia mesese edu o say bia mini chewa problem no row way dey meet mini chewa place a row way
but say asem de obi betimi aka say e bia me ne papa je ye adwuma
yeah
e ba say ye nkoye adwuma we can work but it doesn't mean say e was say ye na before I don't know if you understand.
Yes, true.
Even if say o case
yes
adwuma ni duru a ye nkoye obi wi a obi anko ne fie ana entesa
no omo de ne entesa me say yetimi ma character script or share script no timi say e bia me na Mark Brown etimi ka just no me lady we o mo mfa nenye more than Mark Brown mfa to na me all because of say one ni wo problem bi ana bibi nti
okay way back I'm not sure say bia akokuma no cry obekai na me wo I think Kumaka SS2
okay
it a movie be Shadows of Darkness ekoje letter from GS or Ghana GS Mr. I think that time Mr. Onyina say Mary Nipan director of education
okay
and on my approval say betimi dey twa high school movie and see ye twa we no me am boss chi Brian ono you say obeware 29th Brian congratulations ye twa we no na e was say ye de call marketers na on am say KUMAWOOD stars ni bi nyeden enim and see I just say ye pebichem and me am hear script no and I'm say okay and ye betimi create addendum because a school campus since and ye betimi create say na kwakuma ni security
okay
and then ekoba say because that time na me call Messiah Juma was Studio 7 India ho and akwasibo director akwasibo ti na me say ne me frɛ brako kwakuma na me ne no adia no na obetwa man and me frɛ brako me kai that time na mo dormitory day student am go school and me dwane akwhyɛ dom Kumasi Academy and am kwhyɛ dom na me frɛ brako me ne kasa no say okay meju say na frɛ Lilwin ka ho
o propose Lilwin
exact me enye obi say me say
okay
ono aka kyerɛ me say me frɛ Lilwin enka no ho
great
no me adwuma no I was like okay fine and I'm name boss e kasa ono so okay but scanner na ye hwa ye be keka bom na dey sa project no yanya den yenya me can be see asem so say o ka say enkabo mu ni ho no I think say that time na enkabo mu ho to the extent say Sena Lilwin a comedy, Kwakumeni a comedy.
Yes.
Kwakumeni na a peak at that time. But on said no, mini Mamin Kanimu na pushy. That is experience I mean on a phone call. Yeah. So I think that Nkansah Nyomano I don't think Zen Kibehu industry no.
At this stage. That means
No.
At a point
I get to your point.
Do baby
yeah.
What I say, Ejako si me ne kwakume no nya adwuma biom. E ma director bi kwa so nya se me nsumi ne Ejako nya adwuma biom. E dis ha director no wo a wo ne director ne nanti bia no, wo ne Ejako problem.
Nya adwuma.
Ade na wo say basa.
Okay.
Adwuma ni gu ye say wie na reconciliation asa say dem. E koso. Mo say na wie. Do you think say Nigeria no many problems on Nigeria?
They have a lot.
Poleeno, okay, them say Nigeria no many problems so one. They have it. Omo ko de na so chen dey but omo the professionalism no. Omo fan say they are doing something a bet for the future. And then Nigerians are shooting good movies.
Exactly.
They are shooting international movies.
Netflix,
go to Netflix and see how many movies if you gonna have on Netflix.
Person Kai movie no title but very powerful movie.
Yes.
It's okay.
And if Ghanaian guys omo ko Nigeria. In Ogdako.
Yeah,
Shey they Nigeria.
Oh yeah.
Too Sweet Anan. Eddie Watson.
Exactly.
Look at movies on shooting in Nigeria. Good movies in Nigeria, but then the Ghanaian
I find. Oh, but so say now things are Ghana and yeah, they na YouTube. For now, I think say no na who did the industry. Of which Akabineza a lead, push ahead, Ejako so abeka and couple of others. Eba boy.
Poleeno YouTube now, you go YouTuber. Most of some go for about modin nyina. We should enough movie, full movie. Matina
a hodie for now.
Yeah, for now. But for now, there. Ghana, I did that. So what's the deal? I did that in gym.
Okay.
Yeah, but yes, sir. And we share movies. I say yes, you are before me. Yes, sir. I'm for complaining as no mujai. You do baby, be sharp. And also, sir.
Animation they can't buy as an action.
It is one hour. Say a short way or movie for now. I'm being for now, but they be back for now. Not for now, so I need 10 years. But we might have you have Nigerian movies on YouTube 4 hours. But
I think Starboy Virus that one the movies there. Honestly say try full movies.
Yes. A few of them. But I know that me about and second when say Belasama when started by YouTuber or Moyebi. But I was saying they should all come on board. Our man for be moment when they say YouTube na kwese say if nkofobia kakra bi na eye what I say nti yentimi mfa ye ho mesh akrobato mu started that ben
but they are doing well.
Na say no mu nyina ye dey ebem we need the Nana McBrowns, the Milabro base, the Vivian Gilles, Abrowa Mafia she's doing yes but we need say nka movies ye tena say hwe Ejako Carpenter movie na ye hwe no Ejako bank manager what Kojo Evangelist Lilwin no say na ke ye hwe on YouTube.
Okay. But many be breeding come say no no e ba sound boka. Comparing the revenue they will get from YouTube. How they going to
Poleeno, do you think say YouTube no omoye ni omuntimi nyeska more than way back sometimes can omunya no?
For full movie I doubt.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because the cost in full movies now I think you who release back omuntimi nyasa profit.
Na say untimi nya ni ska no untimi ka say wo ye ne nya ni.
Yeah man say they will boka 50,000 or the fan of rough estimate. Oh one movie. Na part 1 and 2. Now the new no koto. It will be hard for you to get that.
It more than that.
It will be hard.
It will be hard, but possible.
But there are people who accept and then the numbers will keep
the
growing.
Numbers in the by doing it, educating the public about them.
About it, no.
They will go and watch and returns to me about. It's all about education because for now, no. I had din amankophobia.
Okay. In June for ne ye ma me.
Dey bia me ka say
no na dey bia me so me kan Poleeno multimedia. Ye te ha dey bia ye kan say ye promote industry. Industry promoting say we are letting people know and channeling them to the right places. Amokwa ombenya movie ni bia dey ahwe. Nti ye interviews bebre, ye ne celebs bebre, ye ne stakeholders na nkasa dey. Interview no mo so direct chere kwan amofa so mo bi industry. And no se na koba Papa J. You could interview nkofo. No, I was saying Papa J. You could interview nkofo. Na nkofo share more idea. Yeah. Papa J me no ye interview. And you I think some me kwakume no me bra kwakume no ye interview. Me Poleeno interview. ebisa me say I didn't think nkofo ebetena me platform so na omu twa ntro men kan che say omu twa ntro because I've been in the industry since obu onim me start industry na mo JSS2 JSS2 my year to SS 4 years in SS 4 years in university still I'm still doing it minjai what you say nti your industry nyen neba we know the ins and outs yenim before and then we know now nti se me no be interview na se nipa no e kire na adwen bibi ho a metimi aka say okay fine asem a wo kan die eye wo na wo kan but metimi ga say chenchen asem na wo kan oboa especially mene bigger quiz a interview a year ago. I'm saying this because Lilwin akoka ho asem. I was having Felix interview so nice.
Matthias also Ocho Babu.
I also Babu me ba ho. Yeah, so mene bigger quiz I interview. So we obi o ahwefu interview ni bia o. Me Poleeno kra me je atim di o bigger quiz.
Okay.
It got to a point and some bigger quiz I can. Me say okay, we me so much to say. No challenge me. So mean to me say okay be a quiz any sorry free interview no ye nyina ye educate ye ho ye shape industry no say na be the industry will bounce back ni nyina ye feel ye university na nka ye be jana yakope baby achara de na baby akoye bangajuma but no this is ade a ye boy yakoma epe nti say me interview we na say on pa Lilwin matadasari said so de na Van Veka I just want to remember the movie. Nancy no premiere, and one of the powerful movies I'm heard of late from KUMAWOOD. Teta Kwashi. Yeah, Teta Kwashi. Yeah, Teta Kwashi. I was there with Zion Felix Cape Coast, and I mean I'm kita Zion on camera. As Zion interview like or just to promote the movie. Or can want some. It got to you call day a funny face or didn't be. Oko bashe no say award enye Diana bra okofa. What I say? Yeah. Emma from there no maybe I funny face baby obi nyamenka no. From there in state e shake here.
That time no.
Kofo am blaming bebre obi aso udi abo. The same thing obi aba me ho abeka o de eye o ya for over years now. Eshemu so obobu me. No, point of correction, Lilwin no ntimi mo me. I'm not angry but me ka asem bi. Lilwin no ntimi me. To be honest, me who video no. Me who video no. Me ya. The first Zion. Because that interview, Zion friend me say me mrani nkotwa. Me ka say no, I won't go because of no. Number say on me na me nko. And me Papa J me ntwantro. Na me nko because no me do sadam na wo ba sadam na. No me Papa J ade wa ko obi ni me ntwantro. Me one of those guys. Me ntwantro da. Me real. Me nsuro ni pabia me bu ni pabia. Me nsuro ni pabia ba me bu ni pabia. Me ye pan so me nye kra. But enyo bi wo ha yeah so bebre. But the anti American say when say the empesa or tia say this ejuma na and blogging. We only feed on what people say.
That is it.
Say on only when and come interview no can bibia come publish it. Yes. Papa J uko interview anamo. Emma ne can say me for a bigger question. Yes. Me ne bigger question to say. Yes. Yeah, very vile. Yes. But me post here. What you say? Kwapia me G like me body. Yeah. Me ni senior you see a interview or didi na time on me post here. Yeah. And no na we assume as here dey. Can me nka say bia obi didi obi atema me dey say man post. No. Wanyaka. But what can I just say me no vibe I should just what you say. I will say me post it. Into say wo nipa no you post na say also when na say office oh asama assume sika na obi nzenkai. Masa one can ye. You can keep mute, you can respond. It depends on you. Yeah. You see that yes, no, or you keep mute. And she say, ube keeping mute so ube respond. I know you're awesome. But if you come and post that, don't come and attack and say, yena. I say yena.
20 years in so.
What you because Papa Kumasi interview me and Rashad GH page and one Ghana Frank royalty and then this topic eso by say anti attacks na munya na more because obia feel say asem because my story about no publish with the story about no publish into one here at the end of the day no until well no now no obia time it comes back to professionalism now come if you are professional you understand say me as Poleeno no I'm only working and many hard feelings in mo obia me ndwen obia ho what I say but me dey me dwen ho say the industry should work behind closed doors we're still communicating with people and other stakeholders we said the industry will come back and they say ebia me obi interview now feel say ankoyi amawa and then also what one ni background as they ni background can because anyam na meka nti so feel is over challenge na just challenge the person say bia as soon as they are some now o can enim but don't come and attack me and say Poleeno me na my interview ni pan and say it's just by the way but now me breaking it down
okay you know say me home video but I saw say maybe on the latter side maybe now or fan agrobin or cano
so fan agro fine but
don't say yes oh cano o say I have some problem the whole the fan say issue na aba no na ebia the last time Oka Kojo Nkansah say YouTube for no any start TikTok for any start they should respect the omo na omo but TV so good those days no won say otu kodu bi ko interview na obusa na sa asem na pe na ne followers ne feel say bia and then but issue aba and also who obia so adwene on that issue and no nche say what time Kojo Nkansah Lilwin
na say me your boy CJ like many couple of people aba interviewer I'm canceling all those interviews.
What about those things and so? So what I say? So
see and before and now I still post them.
Eko good
they won't talk.
It's about the game. Eko bad it's about the game. Ye shape ni ama. Say na be bia beba in a way ye nyina ye pe no. And you say asem ba na ye ba obi ho ne be interview nipa ne bia o kan asem ni e fa one. That doesn't mean say Poleeno na o interview nipa no. O say o shame o brand anase bibisa. O mo ntisa de na say.
Exactly.
Muti sade na se a cool
me share baby eja ko bi anyame enhia no me share eja I think that was the first time gra me call eja ho se me ne kasa na ye yi ase ba me kwa na me say eja mpacho me chia wo na me gra me nim zo nim me cha me say na o say Poleeno me help o ko Dubai o video sa post in na me na say wow I'm privileged. Say, oh, I remember some posting video and say I'm blessed to meet a Jakwa or Castle. Yeah, and then the Okayani said, "Oh, to me for baby, I think go for go for create tram catch them say, no man I say a Jumano, Obi or about no abeka say, but I am Tessa. You see how professional he was, because our chairman say we have a cancer. But nsem ni nyina no enye no kore ana o kire me mu no o ma me futu ni say I was very honored say o kire me say but this case it goes the other way you understand because nipa no feel say no o Poleeno ni me me no ni diagro and obi abeka say I don't know post
no into unim nipa na
but still na them papa jam pesa me catch on say this industry we are in to make it work.
That is it.
No matter what.
That is it.
Frank Narok Oshia was say, bro, me no a traso na kupo baby. The industry we no enye adea adepa. Like people will bash you even if you are doing good. But make a trend say yo me no my dog camera from crowd woman I'm doing. Means in area aside camera work. And see anything and any ideas be I see will be a boy industry. You better try say the big go. And then even we are still working on people who are somebody to me I massive work for marketing side because I think that the industry now the mimi who say we lack the marketing aspect. And so if say we are able to fix that aspect now the industry will bounce back.
I'm quite ready to push money in certain areas but how says cannibal court never the returns and profits. That is a hon or say a fixing.
Poleeno team there so you so I didn't come on back door.
It's Kojo on the latter side.
Yeah, it was on the latter side. Oh, me okay, but I don't
think so meaning.
Oh, me
I'm a Poleeno
I'm video.
I think so.
Poleeno me your boy. That's what they for.
We man say no nya o.
No.
Na man
ka say. Na ja say wa wa say.
And obi aso you say no cry na here.
I'm working.
Yeah.
So
We are in.
Oje me, I don't fear anybody. I respect everybody, but
that is
Juma. Say be my industry na dey. Ejina. Nti I say Poleeno multimedia. So also person industry ni jina. Just subscribe na be part of the family. So never anytime you drop any video bian. Obenya na straight. What I say na nyina aboa na ya shipping industry. No wa adwenkyere bia obetimi e dey aba. Me ade we say Lilwin you say na nka me tarnish me major. After many bigger question interview like a year ago no. Couple of course. Uncle for frame. Obitimi frame no I can straight. Person be can Lilwin once I was like, yo, we can Lilwin once I'm saying my page is not meant for that. Yeah, KUMAWOOD come back and BBA be film. It doesn't mean say and I just say, oh me cut a lot of course. And she say me obi a me say me be say obi brander. I'll just be fire go be fire people will come and watch. But it doesn't make sense. Say me yes sir. So we only aim to promote the film industry to make it work. What I say. Fresh boy Papa J and I'm it's nice. Follow Instagram Poleeno_com, Facebook Poleeno Entertainment News, website Poleeno.net, TikTok so Poleeno_com. So na Fresh boy Papa J on Instagram. AKA Asamoah Jansen's position. Olomong. A crowd.